There are many products available to choose sound machines, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sound machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. LectroFan Evo Sound Machine. Forget the fancy bells and whistles. This sound machine from LectroFan provides everything you need at an affordable price. Combine its quality and cost, and there are very few options that compete. This sound machine has just 6 buttons, but on those 6 buttons are everything you need to control every aspect of the device. Don't let the simple design fool you. This sound machine has over 20 sounds to choose from and a timer feature that lasts for up to 8 hours. Even though the traditional power adapter keeps it from being the most portable pick as well, I was impressed with how small it was. It fits comfortably on a crowded nightstand and would easily fit in a backpack or carry-on luggage. While the lack of buttons streamlines the device, it also hinders the timer feature. I had to press through the button and count out the hours in my head. The only indicator is a small beep once you reach 8 hours. Number 2. Dreamegg Portable Sound Machine. The value of this portable sound machine from Dreamegg comes from more than the price. This sound machine comes with a collection of lullaby music and sounds for babies and kids. Alongside the melodic tunes of Cradle Song and Rock-a-Bye Baby are sounds of vacuuming, apparent shushing, and even fetal noises that mimic the sound patterns babies hear inside the womb. I was most impressed by the small locking feature on the back of the sound machine. If your kids are playing around with it, flip the switch and all the settings will stay as you programmed them, even if the little ones are pressing all the buttons. The locking feature also makes it easy to leave overnight in a kid's bedroom without them changing the preset sleep timer or blasting the volume. The sound machine takes its portable design beyond just the size. It comes with a rope and hook, so you can hang it on strollers, in bedrooms, or on a door handle. Number 3. Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock and Sound Machine. Hatch has evolved its product from just a sound machine into the ultimate nightstand companion. Consolidate your lamp, alarm clock, and sleep device into one machine with this Restore 2. With the press of a button, the sound machine begins a 3-part cycle to help you fall asleep, sleep deeply, and wake up gently. It begins by playing noises, music, meditations, or even bedtime stories as you go through your nighttime routine and get into bed. I love it because I have ADHD and I need sound all of the time, Bowen says. Hatch has several inbuilt sounds that play in a constant stream with no interruption. I also love that it wakes me up slowly with light and a gentle song that increases in volume. The alarm clock function wakes you up with a specific sound meant to mimic bird song and chimes. Number 4. Loftie Smart Alarm Clock. With a tech-forward modern style and a powerful internal speaker, this alarm clock from Loftie is both a timepiece and a conversation piece. After using it for months, Perez says, "The Loftie alarm clock unexpectedly changed my nighttime routine. I don't sleep with noise, but I do like to wind down with some and read before bed. The Loftie has natural sound options that help me tune out my downstairs neighbors and random cat fights outside my window. The nighttime routine alarm beckons me to bed, and then I listen to preloaded sounds like campfire or morning rain for half an hour or so before turning my lights out. The speakers are plenty loud to use for both a sound machine and an alarm clock," he adds. "The fact that I don't need my phone to stream the sounds or set an alarm keeps me away from any screens. Plus it looks sleek on my nightstand." He says the display light dims very low, so light sleepers needn't worry about the brightness. Number 5. LectroFan Micro 2 Non-Looping Sound Machine. This compact sound machine from LectroFan could fit in your pocket. Don't let the size fool you. The sound machine comes packed with enough punch to fill a bedroom or even double as a portable Bluetooth speaker. The small size gives way to simple functionality. The 5 buttons are intuitive to use and work essentially the same way, whether you're blasting fan sounds or your favorite song. To swap between white noise or Bluetooth, simply flip the switch. What stood out the most during testing was the swivel top design. The speaker twists up and to the side so you can angle it directly towards your head as you sleep. The directional flexibility also focuses the sound toward your ears as you sleep, more effectively drowning out other sounds. The angling top also meant I could keep the volume on the sound machine lower than some of the other options. That said, it really is just a portable option, lacking even a basic timer function. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.